Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Kerosene heaters produce carbon monoxide, but gas ovens, burning candles, fireplaces, and lamps do too. Therefore, it's important to have adequate ventilation to other rooms, and a source of fresh, outside air such as a window or door open at least 1 inch whenever you're using a kerosene heater. 23 February 2020.
Take our lead.
6 months. According to the National Kerosene Heater Association, kerosene should not be kept more than 6 months, for it tends to collect water. If you do have fuel left and if your heater has a wick made of fiberglass, take it outdoors and let the heater burn until the flame goes out. 7 April 1983.
Let's help you make your mark.
A kerosene heater can be perfectly safe to use indoors. Outdoor-only heaters, such as propane tank-mounted radiant heaters and portable forced air propane and kerosene heaters, sometimes called torpedo heaters, have traditionally been used at work sites and football sidelines. 24 March 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.